Unbelievable, guys. Look at this absolutely beautiful Chicago River black crappie. This is by far one of the top, probably one of the top 5 crappies I've ever got out of this river. What is up, adept anglers? This evening I have a special one for you. It's after work, 30 degrees. I have the family with me. I'm not even sure if you can see him back there. But we were out here, usual spot. Got the train coming by right now. So as you know, we're at the usual spot. I'm gonna toss some crappie jigs. We're here after a long day of work, but as you also know, we have to make the most of every day. We're gonna try to use some dark and light colors. Crappie jigs make these fake lures look real. Make them just look like real minnows. At night, these fish can still see. They're cold weather fish.
I found out something. No, come on. We'll notice it.
Both of my boys are already prepared. Elisha here has a
tent made out of sticks. And
a little tent fort made out of sticks.
And wait, I want to show
for this evening. And Jonah, what do you got going on over here?
I totally have this.
And Jonah has a hammock situation going on over here. You just gonna relax over there, buddy?
Yep.
So as they relax, we're gonna try to catch some crappie. We're at the usual spot. We got the family out here. Should be a good evening. 30 degrees. Could be colder. Let's go. Oh, oh wow. That's a beautiful crappie. Oh my God. Oh, unbelievable. Wow, look at that crappie. Oh, guys. Wow. Look at that absolutely beautiful slab Chicago River crappie. Steam is rising off of him out here in the low 30s with the family. Cold tolerant. After work session. Come on, guys, you cannot catch beasts like this if you do not catch and release. Absolute beautiful slab, Chicago River. Wow. This thing's an easy 16, 17 inches. I don't have anything to measure it. Using a crappie jig, as usual. 4-pound test. You know how we like to roll. Beautiful fish. This is an absolute slab of a crappie. Unbelievable. And as usual, in order to maintain beasts like this, we're gonna go in for the release. Oh, what a beast. I appreciate every moment with this thing. What a beautiful fish. This is truly a really, really beautiful fish.
You see it? It's coming on. You see it right there? The water? Yeah.
I like to see the fish swimming in the water.
It's getting the fish.
All right, guys. So just using the 4-pound test. Not sure if you can see my breath or not. Very cold out here. So far we have 2 crappie, 1 humongous one to start it off, and then 1 small guy. And decided to put the camera on the jigging rod here so you can actually see it in action. And all we do is little jigging motions like this. Make that minnow look like it's a live minnow, constantly twitching. So you just gotta keep that jig moving, make it look lively just like a real minnow. And oh man, right at the surface. Here we are, guys. Another beautiful Chicago River black crappie. We're out here with the family this evening, after work session. It is 30 degrees, but you know, as long as you stay compressed, don't let all that wind get in, you should be good. Out here at night, and that's a white. Just looks like a minnow. Just keep it looking, keep it moving. They have a lateral line. Every fish has a lateral line. It runs right down the center of their body, and they can feel what's around them. You can almost see it right here. That little shimmer right here, that's their lateral line running down this, and that's all senses, and he can feel everything around him. If he can't see it, he could even feel it. He'll know the size, the speed it's traveling, and he'll know how fast he has to go to grab it. It's pretty cool. At times, you could find these black crappies swimming inches under the ice on a lake that has no warm water, or a river that has no warm water. This is a cold water fish, and this is their element, cold weather. Got another beautiful fish here, and these predators are awesome. Going in for the release. Alrighty, adept anglers, that is gonna do it for us this evening with the family. They rushed ahead to jump in the truck because it's now in the mid-20s this evening. But we got out here for just about 2 hours while the temperature was dropping. Caught 3 crappie total. You saw that one that was just absolutely massive, that first fish we caught. Showed you how we did it, technique and everything, jig and everything. And it's just about you to take that effort and get out there and make the most of each day. Get out there, have some fun. Thank you, have a wonderful day. It's gonna do it for us this evening.
7 days till Christmas.
7 days till Christmas, out here with the family. We enjoyed some 30-degree temperatures. Have to get this outro in before the GoPro dies. It's now in the 20s, and you know how the GoPro batteries are when it gets cold. So we're gonna let you go. I showed you how we caught the crappie today.
Christmas, 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 Christmas.
Yes, Christmas is coming.
Christmas.
But I showed you how to catch the crappie today. I hope you got some good insight as far as that went. We caught actually one of our top 5 biggest crappie we've ever caught in this river, so that is awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you guys next Friday with another Adept Angling exclusive.
Christmas,
Peace.
Christmas.